everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Sweet BBQ, and today we're making 3-2-1 ribs on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. So the first thing that we want to do is start up the Memphis Grill, and here's how we're going to do that. We want to turn on the grill and we want to set it for 180 degrees Fahrenheit. We also want to cook with fruit pellets, either cherry or apple, for these ribs. So the next thing that we want to do after lighting up the Memphis Grill is to start trimming the spare ribs. So here's what we need to do. We want to slice away the rib tips. And the way to do that is to find the longest bone and then cut along that. I also like to slice off the edge bone so that the ribs will cook more evenly. Then we need to grab a fork, peel under one of the bones, and then grab a towel and remove the membrane. You also want to cut the skirt off the backside to make it even in thickness. I also like to trim off any excess fat or silver skin. Then it's time to give it an even dusting of your favorite pork rub. We use our Big Sweet BBQ Badass Pork Boost. It has a nice sweetness, great color, and a little bit of heat. Then you want to put the ribs in the grill, and I like to put them on one of the top racks to get good air circulation around. So the ribs are now sitting in the Memphis Grill at 180 degrees. So now it's time to smoke them like this for 3 hours uncovered. And we want to spritz them occasionally with a little bit of liquid every 35, 40, 45 minutes or so. The ribs have now been in the grill for 3 hours. They're looking amazing. So now it's time to take them out and wrap them. You want to tear off 2 even sheets of aluminum foil. Then we're going to place a couple of slices of butter at the bottom. You want to add some brown sugar and then sprinkle with some agave nectar or honey. Then we want to place the rib on top, meat side down. Then we want to add some more butter, some more sugar, and some more agave nectar. Then you want to wrap this up tightly. We're going to raise the temperature of the Memphis Grill to 240 degrees. Then it's time to place the ribs back in the grill again. Now we're going to cook the ribs wrapped at 225 for about 2 hours, or until they reach an inner temperature of about 190, 195 degrees. After 2 hours, we're going to remove the ribs from the grill. And now you want to open up the aluminum foil carefully and let the ribs steam for a couple of minutes. And look at these, they look amazing. Then we're going to remove them from the aluminum foil and place them on a cutting board. Then we're going to sauce them, and I love to put on a friend of mine's Loot and Booty Original Competition Barbecue sauce on these ribs. Then we're going to place them back into the grill again. And now we're going to let them cook until the sauce is set and the ribs reach 203 to 205 degrees Fahrenheit. This will take between 15 to 45 minutes. When the ribs are ready, remove them from the grill, and then we're going to slice them into individual ribs, and then these amazing 3-2-1 ribs are ready to serve. And that is how I make my 3-2-1 ribs on the Memphis Pro Cart ITC3. Now, if you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood-Fired Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website, memphisgrills.com, for more recipes like this one. And I think the last thing to do is to try these and see what they taste like. And they look and they smell amazing. So here we go. Good smoky flavor, cooked to perfection. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.